Cilantro plant profile. Cilantro, Coriandrum sativum, is an herb that is used in cooking as a flavoring and spice. Cilantro is a pretty plant with lace-like foliage that blends well with ornamental plants in a container or grown in the ground. It is in the same family as dill, parsley, carrots, and celery. It grows best in full sun and well-draining soils. Amend your soil with compost and plant it from seed directly into the ground. It is usually quick to germinate, and you can start harvesting it in a matter of weeks. Harvest it by cutting off some leaves with kitchen scissors and using them fresh, or drying or freezing them in an ice cube with olive oil. Cutting the leaves regularly keeps the plant healthy and encourages more leaf production. Cilantro is loved by several garden pests, so you may need to put a cover cloth over it to keep them out. Cilantro grows best in the cool seasons of spring and fall in our region. When the weather heats up, the plants bolt. That is, they set flower and seed. That is a good thing, though, as you can collect these edible seeds, also known as coriander, for planting next season, and use them in the kitchen as a spice. Cilantro, you can grow that